open access.
Open access.
Open access journals.
Acceso abierto.
Open access is free, immediate, online availability of research articles with full reuse rights.
The secrets of research are now available to all.
My research focuses on energy transition, so understanding how transportation or cooking or heating impacts the environment and public health. And so my group specifically does a lot of measurements of air quality around the globe and trying to understand what's the origin of the air quality, which energy conversion process is in charge of or is responsible for the problems. So like we do a lot of work right now in Ghana trying to better understand how cooking impacts public health and what's the solutions. We're also working in South LA on similar ideas of transportation systems and oil and gas development. So my group and I like to publish in open access journals, specifically because we want our work to get out to more people. The work we're doing often involves community groups or people in developing countries, and we really feel like it's important that there's access to the work well beyond the typical streams. And so, and our community partners, specifically in Los Angeles and in Ghana, are both very interested in broad access. So it's a wonderful thing for us to be doing, and our partners are all excited about it. And again, when you're working on public health issues or environmental issues, it's really important that more people can have access to the literature.